Guys, it's your Wenji going to call in the haunted numbers once again. Okay, so the haunted numbers. I want to call on this haunted numbers, and you can see the time on my phone. I think so. It's 9:38, and now I'm going to call on this haunted numbers, and I don't know what will happen. And please do believe me, I'm alone in this room. I'm alone in this floor of my house, because my house has two floors, one the ground floor and another is the top floor. So I'm sitting alone in the top floor without Alina also. Okay, so let's try out calling them. I thought that maybe if Alina is beside me, that nothing will come, because two people are more guarded than one people, right? So without any delay, let's start. You can see all the haunted numbers. I've saved all the numbers named as haunted numbers. I'll show you the numbers, obviously, and I'll call on them. And half of the numbers won't exist, because when I called them, they didn't exist. And some numbers were switched off. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, 666, the most haunted number. तो गाइस अपने देख लिया कि ये बोला कि couldn't connect, and ये भी बोला कि ये अमान्य है. That means it is not valid, it's invalid. So we can take into consideration that this number is false. Okay, 666, the most haunted number, is just a false. Okay, so next, I've seen in many YouTube videos that they have tried out and they have got it, but they must have used sound effects. I'm showing you clearly over here that this number does not exist, and you can see the number also, 666, just from my call list I am showing you. Next, this is 090. Then after that we have 7 fours. Okay, so let's. So this number is switched off, and I could not get anything over here, but the voice sounded like a ghost, many of you would think. But this number is currently switched off, and I don't know when I will get this number. Whenever I am calling, it's switched off. I don't know when I'll get this number. Okay, let's call on 630-296-7536. Okay, let's start. This number is also switched off. You can hear that. Okay, so I don't know really. I don't know what happened to all this. Why is it switched off? This number also keeps, when will the switch be on? I don't know that. Okay, this number we have contacted. Okay, this one 0. Okay, so this number is invalid. Can understand? Okay, 121-6333-1810. So you can get it couldn't connect because it's an invalid number. Okay, next. We called this one. Okay. The number is invalid and they couldn't connect because of that. Next one, we called this one. So you can see it couldn't connect. Okay. Next, I think how many numbers? So you can see automatically it couldn't connect. Next, we have dialed on this. This one also is done. Just a moment. This one we have not dialed. This one, this number and these numbers. These two numbers. See that the number is switched off, and when will it switch on, I don't know. Okay, this is done, this is done. Okay, this one we have done. Yeah, we have done. It confuses a lot. I'm sorry guys. Okay, this one is the last one, I think. So you can see that the number is not correct, it is incorrect. So you can understand that the haunted numbers do not exist, and some of the numbers are there but they remain switched off. So this is probably a false thing. So you can guess this, right? Because I tried out all the numbers and they are all invalid. And many YouTubers have shown that haunted numbers is being picked up and then they are receiving that and then they hear ED sounds. That's all the sound effects. I don't know about that, but they actually do not exist. This is what I have shown you. All these are haunted number. You can search this. You can see. You can note down the numbers over here. This one, this one, this one. Okay, this one, and many more. You have this one. You have this one, this one, this one. You can note this number and you will check in Google that they are haunted numbers or not, or I have called in false numbers. You will get it. Okay. Thank you so much. So इस चैलेंज हमने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया फाइनली आप लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट से. थैंक यू सो मच. लाइक दिस वीडियो. गुड बाय.